Hello there. Welcome to the second week of the dispute process. So what should you expect at this point? It's very possible that you're going to be getting your dispute letters in the mail this week. So I highly recommend that you stay on the lookout for your incoming mail, okay? You may also have noticed a change in your credit, and that is due to the fact that we pulled the credit. That's what we did when we activated the services, so that the attorneys could have access to your report and know what they could include as part of the dispute process. So what should you do at this point? Number one, confirm with your agent as soon as you receive the dispute letters in the mail, okay? And you can refer to the video from week 1 for details on the mailing process. But just to give a quick recap, remember that you're going to need proof of identity and proof of address. So what counts as proof of identity? Social Security or any other document. Could be a W-2 that contains your full Social Security, and you're going to need 3 copies of those because you're going to include 1 copy per letter, and we have a letter for TransUnion, 1 for Equifax, and 1 from Experian. So you have to put 1 copy with each of those letters, and also you're going to include 1 copy in each of the letters. So you're going to need 3 copies of your license, okay? But make sure that your license has your current address or the address that you provided to UCES at the time of your enrollment. If your license does not include that same address, then you could use a utility bill, you could use a bank statement, or you could use also a pay stub from your work, anything that is official and that includes your name and the exact address that you provided to UCES when you enrolled. What happens after we mail the letters? So we're going to be waiting from between 30 to 45 days for the responses. So each of those bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, is going to respond to these letters that we are sending to them. Okay, so we're going to wait for those responses. And what should you do in the meantime? So while we wait for those responses to come back, okay, number one, make sure that you're utilizing your lines of credit adequately, okay, and that you're following up with the action plan that your agent recommended to you based on your particular needs. Okay, so if you have any questions, remember you can contact your agent, or you can also contact customer service at 248-848-9065.